Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to disable ad blockers in the Google Chrome web browser. Let's get started. First, go to the Chrome on your device. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From the drop down, select the settings. Within the settings menu, locate and click on extensions in the sidebar. Now, scroll through the list of installed extensions to find the ad blocker extensions you wish to disable. Popular ad blockers include AdBlock, uBlock Origin, and AdBlock Plus. Here you can see I have not downloaded any ad blockers, so you cannot find one. But if you have one, then it will definitely be shown here. Then next to the ad blocker extension, you will see a toggle switch. Simply toggle it off to disable the extension. Once disabled, you should see the ad blocker extension grayed out, indicating that it is no longer active. So, congratulations, you have successfully disabled the ad blocker. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.